Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the beginners at the Kenn Centre on the 11th of April 2023. We did an arm jive, a shoulder slide, a lady spin and a half windmill. If you need teaching information for any of those moves, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below, and we'll show you how they went together now. It went like this: 7 and 8. Offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return for the shoulder slide. We went latch, catch right for the lady spin, prepare, spin, catch right for the half windmill, raise the right, raise the left, and back to two hands so you could join back into the arm jive. Hope you find that useful. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know every time a new video comes out. If you do have any questions, do pop them in the comments section below, and we've got a recommendation on the end of a nice track to do some practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.